What's up, guys? Got a mouse pad here. Had one of those gel things for your wrist sitting here, and then this pad here would sit in here, and it got scuzzy. So my idea, you know, can't always find these. Get some of this insulation stuff at Home Depot or Lowe's, and what I did was I cut a hunk of it off, took a hair dryer to it, and kind of spread it out. Applied some contact cement to it, and then I used some sandpaper, cleaned this off good, and applied some contact cement to that. And this piece here I'm gonna stick it to it and trim the end of it. Alright, so once you stuck that together, all I did is trim it, this razor blade here, and then I took a lighter and kind of molded over the edges just to form fit it. Okay, so what we got here is some duck canvas I used for my Marshall cover to cover my pedal board. It is water repellent, and what we're going to do is cut a piece and glue this with some contact cement, and then glue this over, and then we'll glue it to the bottom of this, which will then fit in there, and then you got your support. Alright, so we got this all glued up. That's what it looks like. Had some little bit of ripples or whatever, but she'll work. She'll fit right in here. And it's a snug fit, so I'm not going to press it in because the glue ain't fully dry. Okay, so for this part here where the mouse goes, all I did is take a piece of yoga mat and made a template, and we'll use some more of this duck canvas. So there's the parts. You got your yoga mat and then the duck canvas. Put some contact cement on there. You gotta wait for it to kind of dry. Put the two together. Alright, so we got this glued together. And then all I did is magic marker that. Fit that in here. And it's like brand new. So there's the finished product. Mouse seems to glide okay on it. Rest is comfortable enough.